Hey everyone, so today we have the DEERC spider themed monster truck for ages 8 and above. In the box you'll be receiving the monster truck itself. It's quite big, but it's extremely light. It's made out of plastic. You will also be receiving 2 batteries, a charging cable, as well as a star-shaped screwdriver. You will have to unfortunately get your own adapter to connect the charging cable, but the batteries do last you quite some time. But I would recommend carrying the second battery with you if you intend on spending a long time outside having fun with the monster truck, and I guarantee you it is so much fun, as you will see later on in the video. As we take the monster truck out of the additional packaging, you'll receive 2 manuals in different languages to assist you with the installation of the battery and also instruct you on how to use the remote control, which is currently under the monster truck, which I'll be showing you soon enough. And as promised, here is the remote control, also made out of plastic. It is super lightweight, as you can see me holding it in one hand. Now let me show you how the monster truck looks from all angles. So now I'll be showing you how to install the battery into the monster truck, just in case the manual was not clear enough. So here we have the 2 batteries. You only need 1, and I'll be unscrewing the cap that's at the base of the monster truck. Once you've unscrewed it, you will just take the cap off, and then you'll proceed to take your 1 battery. Hopefully you've charged it, and you'll connect it directly into the monster truck as shown. And once connected, you will want to nicely place the battery into the slot below, and you'll proceed with placing the cap right back on and screwing the nail right back in to the base of the monster truck. And then you'll turn the monster truck on and you'll be ready to take it on a drive. Don't forget, you will have to purchase 2 large batteries separately to place into the remote to get it powered. The batteries do not come included with the monster truck. Here I'm outside, ready to test drive the monster truck. This is the remote once again, and I'll be demonstrating how it works. As you can see, the knob that looks like a tire is for steering. It gives you the sensation of actually driving the truck, which is amazing. And the trigger, as you can see, accelerates the car and also reverses it as well. It doesn't have a brake button to suddenly stop, so you'll have to trigger between the acceleration and the reverse if you want to monster As you can see, it's quite easy to manage the control in one hand, but I would recommend using two hands if you want to proceed with more complicated maneuvers, but it's not required as demonstrated. It's quite handy with one hand as well. And here I am just having fun with the monster truck, just showing you how I use it. It's really fun, it goes really quickly, but the space I was maneuvering in wasn't the biggest, and I wish I had some ramps to show you guys the really cool tricks you can do. But here we have the monster truck, and as you can see, 360s it does super easily. It's got really big tires and it's got really good traction on the floor. I recommend the monster truck, especially coming up to the festive season. If you are considering buying something for your kids or for a friend, this is the gift to give them. It's so much fun, especially if they are monster truck lovers or just car lovers in general. This is a great gift for any season, all-terrain tires, and you can do as many trips as you wish. Bye bye for now.